may have to change antennas. We'll try and accommodate. If you can change antennas, we can accommodate getting you off of that channel. But as we saw with the previous pilot, it was well flyable. A1. And unfortunately, for that pilot. So here's the thing, okay? We say, is everyone good? Once you go up, thumbs up for good video, all bets are off. We've been dealing with the Wi-Fi all event long, right? Okay, you went out and you had the lines. It was still flyable. If we thought it wasn't flyable, we'd have to rerun your entire heat. It was flyable. But if you said, this is bad, I see lines, and you said, I have a video problem, we would change it. He said, I have lines, I don't want to fly, and we changed it. So you didn't let us know before you fly. Do you understand? Once you go thumbs up for good video, all bets are off. Or we have to run the entire race again. I feel bad about it. I wish I could do something about it, but I don't think it was a bad beat. I don't think the lines caused the crash. We DVR reviewed that. I didn't, neither of us thought the lines caused. Again, it could be one of those things that you got to ascertain as a bad beat, but it does. Now, we've been using that channel for like 3 days. And so the channel that we're on, you can't really see it here just the way they were set up. Now you see that little spike that just came up on the right-hand side? Those are the Wi-Fi repeaters. They're just on the fringe of the channel. That is what we're seeing. But we have spent, I don't even know how many hours in trying to avoid all of the interfering Wi-Fi